Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanyak. As a concerned voice from the Nuer community, I am deeply alarmed by what is happening right now in South Sudan, particularly in Nuer territories. What is being presented as a push for peace and disarmament is, in reality, hiding a darker agenda, the systematic targeting of the Nuer civilian. In old Fangak, gunships and anti-nerve chemical weapons were used in horrifying attack. Entire village were bombed. Women, children, and elderly were caught in the assault. Many severe injured. The community is devastated, mourning and displaced. In Nasir, another tragedy unfolded. Civilians are fleeing in terror, and government forces storm toward the village. The same horror is being repeated in Longochuk and Ulang counties. Across Nuer region, people are being forced to flee their homes and seek shelters under desperate conditions. These are not isolated events. This is a coordinated campaign not against army combatant but against a population. The Nuer Army, made up of community defenders, is trying to protect their people, but in a state of negotiation or peace talk, they are being bombed from the air, gunship, chemicals, and heavy artillery used by the government as SPDF, with support from the UPDF, Uganda People Defense Force. And while this is happening, Dr. Riek Machar remains under house arrest, silent and removed from the national dialogue, raising more questions about the intention of the current regime. Most alarming, on May 23rd, Dr. Benjamin Bol Mel, newly appointed first deputy chairperson of the SPLM, reportedly deployed 2,000 Ugandan troops in Juba. This is the second Uganda military force deployed under his order. The first happened shortly after he was made vice president. Why is foreign military being deployed into South Sudan at this scale, especially during a time when civilians are under attack and the country is approaching elections? The world must not remain silent. This is not peace building. This is not stability. This is a calculated assault on the Nuer people, masked as government, masked as governance. I urge the United Nations, African Union, IGAD, and human rights bodies around the world to launch an immediate investigation into the military action in Nuer region. This is a humanitarian crisis in the making, and history will not forgive us if we fail to act. South Sudan deserves peace, but not peace built on the grave of the innocent. No peace built on ethnic cleansing, and foreign intervention. To the government of South Sudan, stop bombing your own citizens. To the international community, act before it is too late. The Nuer people are not enemies. They are citizens. They deserve protection, not persecution. This is a call for justice. Stop targeting the innocent people.